Hi, everyone. I'm Chris from Red River, and today we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions we get when it comes to collaboration within Office 365, which is, what service do I use and when do I use it? For a while now, Office 365 has had multiple services that overlap in terms of content storage and collaboration. However, each of these services has a set of primary functions that is best suited for a particular set of use cases. When we're using Office 365, we can store content in one of the following locations: OneDrive for Business, SharePoint, or Teams. So let's review when I would choose to use OneDrive for Business. When you log into Office 365, simply use the app launcher to head over to your OneDrive location. OneDrive for Business is the place for your personal work documents. It's your My Documents folder in the cloud, and what we here at Red River call your Me space. You are the administrator of these documents, and you have complete control over what gets shared, what stays private, and how files are organized. Saving files to OneDrive is super easy. For example, here we have an attachment in an email. I right-click this document and click Save to OneDrive. The document is automatically saved to my OneDrive. I save documents to OneDrive for Business because I get all the benefits of the cloud: file redundancy, versioning, single source of truth, and so much more. When I'm ready for others to see or edit a document, I have some choices. I can share that document out with others directly from my OneDrive. The other option I have is to move that document to another workspace, which brings us to the next service we'll discuss when it comes to content storage and collaboration, which is SharePoint. Today, we talked about one of the great services we use for content storage and collaboration inside of Office 365. OneDrive for Business is the place for our personal work content inside of Office 365. It's your Me space. In future sessions, we'll explore SharePoint and Teams. That's it for today. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon.